This video demonstrates the procedure for creating new users and configuring their permissions within Xperdyte software. Setting up users and permissions correctly is essential for protecting sensitive data and ensuring each person can only access the features they need to do their job. To begin, navigate to the main menu, then select System Settings, and finally choose Maintain Users. The currently existing users will be displayed in a list. To add a user, select the Add button. On the next screen, enter the details of the new username and password. You can enable a strict password policy if necessary, although it is not enforced by default. The Administrator Override feature grants the ability to bypass system restrictions and must be reserved strictly for appropriate, authorized actions. For instance, a common use case is when a user is blocked from processing a works order because of a costing discrepancy. The channel option will default to 1. A console user's access is restricted to a limited license, granting him the ability to use only a select set of functions and menus primarily focused on feedback and scheduling. The branch locked option will allow you to restrict a user to only process within a selected branch. To disable a login, you can tick the box to block the user. Selecting the Exempt from Status Restrictions option allows a user to bypass the standard rules governing changes to works order statuses. The Work Centers restrictions allows you to specify a limited list of work centers that the user is allowed to process. Tick the Work Center Restrictions box, then select the Options box to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the relevant work centers and click Save. The Permissions table allows you to enable or disable for selected menus what the user can access. Use the Select All or Select None buttons to tick or untick all permissions. And that's how to create new users and set permissions. If you would like help with setting up new users or permissions, please contact the Xperdyte team at info@xperdyte.co.za.